Hi everyone, my name is Melanie and welcome to my channel. I do a variety of videos from weekly, daily, weekend food hauls, shopping hauls from places such as TK Maxx, B&M, Boots, Superdrug, and I do beauty box unboxings from Degustabox and Pink Parcels, and food subscription boxes like Degustabox and Saucebox. I also unbox trainers, watches and beauty items. Today's video is a unboxing and swatching of the eyeshadow palette by Nip and Fab. The palette is called Sculpted, which is 01. There's the name of the shades on the back, and it comes in this nice case, and there is 12 shades inside. So as you can see, the shades are very neutral. They all look matte except for these two, which look like shimmer shades. I do prefer a shimmer to a matte, but I bought this on Superdrug. I think it was on offer for £6.99, and I've never tried any Nip and Fab makeup, so I thought I would try it. As you can see, the first two shades aren't really pigmented. I'm hoping the third one is much better. So that's all the shades swatched. I will say that there was a lot of fallout when I swatched it and went to put it on the back of my hand. Some of it dropped off before I touched the back of my hand. So there is fallout already, but because I've never tried it, I can't say if it'll happen when I'm using it. Some of them are quite pigmented and some of them are not, especially the top row. The first three aren't very pigmented. The second row, the first one, is not really pigmented either. The best row is definitely the last row. It's really nice. And the best shades are the two shimmer ones, which are the two end ones on the first and second row. If you have any questions about this item, please leave them down below. And also check out my blog, because I will be doing a blog post on this palette very soon. My blog is always linked in the description box. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification, and then you'll be alerted to every upload that I do. Please give this video a like if you can do, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.